The squirrel. Feared by some. Worshipped by others. Fully understood by none. In the heart of the forest, a tiny creature stirs, its presence felt by all, yet its secrets remain hidden, behind a veil of bushy tails and twitching ears. It has lived among us for millions of years, a constant yet mysterious companion, in our backyards, in our parks, and in our wildest dreams. Meet the squirrel, a creature that has been on our planet for over 60 million years, with some species weighing as little as 0.07 ounces, while others can grow up to 3 feet long, including their tail. Their large eyes and agile limbs make them a marvel of evolution, with some species able to leap over 20 feet in a single bound. With over 200 species spread across the globe, from the frozen tundras of the north to the scorching deserts of the south, these tiny creatures have adapted to almost every environment imaginable, with some species even able to survive in areas with temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius. Their ability to thrive in such diverse conditions is a testament to their remarkable resilience. The squirrel's world is one of towering trees, bustling cities, and vast wilderness areas, where the sounds of birdsong and rustling leaves fill the air, and the scent of nuts and seeds wafts through the forest floor. From the dense rainforests of the Amazon to the open plains of Africa, each habitat presents its unique challenges and opportunities. In this world of contrasts, the squirrel must be equally at home in the freezing cold of winter and the sweltering heat of summer, where the sun beats down relentlessly, and the only shade is that provided by the trees. With their thick coats and nimble limbs, they are able to navigate this ever-changing landscape with ease, always on the lookout for their next meal. One of the most fascinating aspects of squirrel biology is their ability to remember the location of thousands of cached seeds, using a complex system of spatial memory that allows them to recall the exact location of each nut. This is made possible by the presence of a large hippocampus, a region of the brain associated with memory and spatial navigation, which is proportionally larger in squirrels than in many other mammals. In fact, studies have shown that squirrels are able to recall the location of cached seeds with an accuracy of over 95%, even after several months have passed, a feat that is all the more impressive when one considers the complexity of their caching strategy, which involves burying seeds in various locations throughout their territory. This complex behavior is a testament to the remarkable cognitive abilities of these tiny creatures. A day in the life of a squirrel is one of constant activity, as they spend their hours foraging for food, tending to their young, and maintaining their complex social hierarchies. With their agile limbs and sharp claws, they are able to leap from branch to branch with ease, covering distances of up to 10 feet in a single bound. Their high metabolisms mean that they must eat constantly, consuming up to 20% of their body weight in food each day. One of the most interesting aspects of squirrel behavior is their use of a deceptive caching, a strategy in which they pretend to bury seeds in various locations, in order to deceive potential thieves. This complex behavior is a testament to the remarkable intelligence of these tiny creatures, which are able to adapt their behavior to fit the demands of their environment. By using this strategy, they are able to protect their food stores and ensure their survival. For squirrels, the hunt for food is a constant and ongoing process, as they must always be on the lookout for their next meal. With their sharp teeth and agile limbs, they are able to climb trees, leap over obstacles, and pounce on unsuspecting prey, all in the pursuit of the nuts, seeds, and fruits that make up their diet. In the forest, the squirrel is a master of stealth, able to sneak up on its prey undetected, and snatch it from the jaws of competitors. With their keen senses and quick reflexes, they are able to navigate the complex forest landscape with ease, always on the lookout for the next meal. Their success rate is impressive, with some species able to catch up to 90% of their prey. The moment of strike is one of lightning-fast speed, as the squirrel pounces on its prey, its teeth snapping shut with deadly precision. It is a testament to the remarkable hunting abilities of these tiny creatures, which are able to thrive in even the most competitive of environments. Their adaptability and cunning have allowed them to occupy a unique niche in the forest ecosystem. Squirrels are highly social creatures, living in complex communities with strict hierarchies and communication systems. They are able to recognize individual members of their group, and even form long-term bonds with their mates and offspring. With their large eyes and expressive faces, they are able to convey a wide range of emotions, from fear and aggression to affection and playfulness. The squirrel's social structure is one of cooperation and reciprocity, as they work together to raise their young, defend their territory, and gather food. With their complex communication system, which includes a variety of chirps, whistles, and body language, they are able to convey vital information and coordinate their behavior. This cooperation is essential to their survival, as they are able to achieve far more together than they could alone. One of the most fascinating aspects of squirrel biology is their ability to survive falls from great heights, with some species able to drop over 100 feet without suffering any serious injury. This is due to their unique physiology, which includes a righting reflex that allows them to rotate their body in mid-air, and a flexible spine that absorbs the impact of the fall. In fact, studies have shown that squirrels are able to survive falls that would be fatal to most other mammals, with some species even able to drop from heights of over 200 feet without suffering any serious injury. This is a testament to the remarkable adaptability of these tiny creatures, which have evolved a range of specialized features that allow them to thrive in their environment. Their ability to survive falls is just one example of their impressive resilience. Despite their many adaptations, squirrels face a range of threats in the wild, from habitat loss and fragmentation, to climate change and disease. With their populations often isolated and fragmented, they are vulnerable to extinction, and conservation efforts are necessary to protect these remarkable creatures. The odds are against them, with many species facing a high risk of extinction in the coming decades. In fact, studies have shown that many squirrel species are facing a high risk of extinction, with some populations declining by as much as 90% in recent years. This is a sobering reminder of the urgent need for conservation efforts, as we work to protect these incredible creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. The future of the squirrel is uncertain, and it is up to us to ensure their survival. In a heart-stopping moment of drama, a squirrel is forced to confront its greatest fear, as a hungry predator stalks it through the forest. With its life hanging in the balance, the squirrel must use all its cunning and agility to evade its pursuer, and make a daring leap to safety. The outcome is far from certain, as the squirrel's fate hangs in the balance. The chase is on, as the squirrel darts and weaves through the underbrush, its pursuer hot on its heels. The tension builds, as the squirrel's life hangs in the balance, and the outcome is far from certain. Will it escape, or will it become the predator's next meal? The suspense is palpable, as the squirrel's fate is decided in a matter of seconds. In a stunning display of agility and cunning, the squirrel makes a final, desperate leap to safety, narrowly avoiding its pursuer's outstretched claws. It is a moment of pure drama, as the squirrel's life is spared, and it is able to live another day. The relief is palpable, as the squirrel's fate is finally decided, and it is able to emerge victorious. Squirrels play a vital role in their ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey, and helping to disperse seeds and nutrients throughout the forest. Without them, the ecosystem would be vastly different, and many other species would suffer as a result. They are a keystone species, and their loss would have far-reaching consequences. As a key component of their ecosystem, squirrels help to maintain the balance of nature, and their loss would be deeply felt. They are a reminder of the intricate web of life that surrounds us, and the importance of preserving the natural world. Their role in the ecosystem is a vital one, and their preservation is essential to the health of the forest. As we reflect on the secret life of squirrels, we are reminded of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. These tiny creatures have much to teach us about resilience, adaptability, and the importance of community. Their story is one of survival and triumph, and it is a testament to the enduring power of life. As the sun sets on another day in the forest, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder at the secret life of squirrels. Their story is a reminder of the magic and mystery that surrounds us, and the importance of preserving the natural world for future generations. It is a call to action, to protect and preserve the beauty and wonder of the world around us.